Now we're going to look at the rewriting a sales page content custom GPT. I wrote this specifically for sales pages. You might call them landing pages, squeeze pages, same thing. You can use them for just your basic content on a website page as well. But they are designed specifically for a sales page, and I define that as a page that is selling one thing. It could be a free webinar, it could be a product, it's just one thing. So what we're going to do is we're going to enter the URL of the sales page, and then if you want to include your business name, you can do that. So I have a URL of a page that I created a while ago on my AskDotty site. I'm going to paste it in there, and I'm just going to let it run, and we'll see what it does. It's designed to go through a comprehensive list of the projects, objections, that sort of thing, and it's interesting to read through these. And then it's going to give us a strategic approach to addressing these objections. And then it's going to rewrite the sales page. And I picked an old webinar that I did, I think 3 or 4 years ago now. And this is the text that it came up with. Now, again, you can use this as is. You can change it, tweak it, customize it, but it gets you a better text, probably, than what you already have on your page. You do need to have a live page for this one to work. So if you're working on a sales page, you want to make sure it's published and then use this. It does not work without an active link. And you notice that's all we put in there. And of course, it's making this event details up. You put your own, whatever it is, in there. It's going through what you'll gain, bonuses, and it might have even made these up. I don't know if I had any bonuses on this page. So you definitely want to read through this and make sure that whatever it's saying is something you want to offer, because it has given me bonuses there of things there's just no way I would ever offer that. And then if I had put in my business name, it would have filled it in here, gave us some testimonials. And these are probably actually on my page right now, but sometimes it has given me testimonials of people I don't even know. They are just made up. It's because I didn't have any on the page. But it's basically telling you, you need some testimonials if that is the case for you. So anyway, I would take this section by section, depending on how my page is laid out, and I would paste it and alter it into my website editor. So that is how this specific custom GPT is designed to work. I hope you enjoy it.